Oh, you didn't stack it. Alright, full stack. We want to see full cut up. Yeah. We're off to go for a swim. Yeah, swims. Here at Kenilworth, swimming in some fresh water.
I knew we.
Is this our very own camping spot, guys? Is this it? Windows up, you reckon? Oh fuck, me fucking watch it. Camping, everybody! Yeah, fucking bloody. Yeah, don't ever get annoyed by me. I'm just working. It's the first time ever. Oh, look at these three canoes. Get the dog. Stick or buster. Yeah, massive buster.
Right, we paddled the whole way up. I took the kayak.
Boy, there is definitely fish here. Style. Oh, imagine all the gators in here.
Shut up.
Oh, the hat. There's the mullet.
It landed on my head. Rib.
Oh, thank you, brother.
Tasco.
Thanks, old son. Oh. Beer bonger?
Nah. Yeah. A little 9%er.
Sweet, mate.
That looks real good right there. That's perfect.
Nample Center. But yeah, no, I like it out.
Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, nice, dude. No, we got the fire extinguisher on hand. There it is, right there. Yes, that's it.
We have a fucking burn, motherfucker, burn.
Oh, it's hot.
Don't kick it on Jordan.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
My body could be anywhere.
Get ice. Is that ice?
What happened?
My whole leg caught on fire.
Yeah, look at the non-hairish.
I noticed.
How good's that fire extinguisher?
55, we're recording.
Nice.
So what's happened here?
Fucking River decided it was a good idea to put the jerry can on the fire.
E.T. phone home.
Look at that. Fuck off,
Still
you
going.
fuck.
Fucking good, mate. Look at that. Oh, that is so nice.
We're just pulling up to the Kenilworth pub. Gonna go have a schooner, maybe some feed. We just had a big day on the motorbikes.
But I'm the same thing, so I know.
Are they beer?
You know, like you can be aggressive. So I'm across the other side of the creek there, nowhere. So I threw the ball, I chased up the other guy chasing, same thing. Chest
It's alright.
shut. probably just got run up to hospital, but that's cool.
Yeah, it wasn't very fun, was it?
Yeah, no,
I
I
can
bet.
tell you that.
Better we just get it done.
You pull my front brake in, you're touching it.
We lost one, guys.
Yeah, one down.
Fucking, we got a few more to go.
That's it.
Let's send it.
Round two.
Bye bye, rifting.